Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Hope you guys are keeping well. These are the Edifier X3 true wireless headphones that retail for about £30. So they're very cheap, but is cheap good? Let's go take a look what you get in the box. So I'm going to open the box. Obviously I've taken these out already. Just so you are aware, these have aptX, they have Bluetooth 5, they have the CVC 8 for the, 0 for the mics. Just double checking, it's 6 hours playback from the headphones themselves, with another 18 hours from the actual case, so that's pretty good. And they are IP55 dust and water resistance, and they can do touch controls as well as voice assistance. So I'll talk more about that. So you get the headphones themselves, and if you look at this case, you can see that it's really a tiny case. This is smaller than Apple's AirPods Pro, and it's about the same size as the standard AirPods. Now, apart from in the box, you get a little instruction book that shows you how to use everything, although to be honest, it's really straightforward. And here you get the little accessory which has the USB-A to USB-C, and it also has the small size ear tips and the large. These are fitted with the standard medium. So let me show you what you get, how they look. So here, if I take a bit closer, you've got the earbuds, the USB-C, and they are really small. I don't know if you can see on the front, they have 2 LED lights, and these are touch controls as well. So let's take one out. So the magnets are really strong on these. So you take them out and they go in, and when you put them in, so when you put them in, just to quickly show you, obviously I take them out, the magnets are really strong, hold them, they don't fall out, so you don't have any problems there. And don't forget, these cost £30, £29.99 at the moment. So you can see there's a little touch icon there. You've got the buds, they are really small. You can see that. These fit really nice in the ears. So if I put them in the ears, and they're very discreet, as you can see, very comfortable, but a very traditional, non-offensive design. So what do these actually, how do they sound? Do they have any noise cancellation? They have passive noise cancellation. There's no noise cancellation, there's no app for these. At this price, you buy them, that's what you get. But you know, they're exceptional value. So they've got special mics on for voice calls. The voice calls are okay actually. They're not the worst I've heard, they're not the best, but they're okay. They are okay. There's no lip sync issues that I found that were obvious when watching video as well. So I've got aptX. So what's the sound quality like on these? Well, they're very consumer orientated with a bass focus that slightly drowns out the mids. The trebles are okay, they're quite clear, but what you have with these is a really fun sound. These aren't for critical listening. These are ones that, because they're IP55, you might want to take to the gym, because for any reason you lose them, you break them, you drop them, and whatever, you haven't lost a fortune. I say it's just under £30. So for that, even though they are bass emphasised, which is quite fun, sometimes having an extra boom, boom, boom is enjoyable. But I say it does bleed into the mids and slightly into the treble, but they're non-offensive. I find these, whilst I prefer higher quality listening, sometimes when I'm watching movies and stuff, these are ideal. Anyway, any questions which you might have, ask below. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Catch you guys soon. Bye for now.